Come. So, hey, where we at, bro?
Leighton! Oh!
Clinton.
Clinton!
Come closer. This is the North Pole Express Post. There's Miss Santa and Santa Claus.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did it, Dick? Yeah. Bro, that's beautiful, man. Look at that. Happy New Year.
You ain't wear it? These are our house. We're here. Just walking to it.
Wat het daar ja, wie gaat dit ook kapot qua fuck?
Oh shit.
Wie kan dat zeggen? Mufasa. Ka Mufasa na. Ranat. Ayo. Massa. Pork bu fazer uma story. Ja, põe chefe. Eu porcaria. Alright, let's go. Oh. Let's go. Ah, zoals. Era. Napper. Yeah. Yo, but Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I'm gonna give it a Chuuk medicine. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
City, Utah.
Utah.
Yeah. This the famous house in Utah. If y'all want to come and like take pictures in front of it, this is in Clinton, Utah. Yeah.
Hit me up first.
Yeah.
Facebook.
This the owner right here.
I do a deuce. Hit me
Yep.
up.
Like you see all the lights go straight all the way to the end. You see? He turned it off.
Yeah.
Did he turn? Oh.
Hold on, let me check. Okay, I own it back. There you go.
Beautiful. Just beautiful. See that? All right, man. Let's go.